Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to week 7 of 8 of our tips, tricks, and tools to help you get the year off strong. This week, what we want to talk to you about is encouraging everybody to attend the various office meetings, which take place in either Brooklyn on the first week of the month, Oshawa for Whitby, Oshawa, Brooklyn for the next 3 weeks of the month. And then in Ajax, they are every week on Wednesdays. Come out to the meetings. Those who know me know I cannot say enough about office meetings. They are little nuggets of gold that you pick up from the conversations in them. They are so important and useful, and cannot say enough about how much I endorse attending the office meetings. The other thing is to attend industry events. So last week we had the Durham Economic Update presented by Treb. Was super proud and impressed by the amount of Sutton agents that we had in that room. Valuable information that you get from information sessions like that. Everybody would have received an invitation today from Sutton. The Spring Connect is happening. I believe it's on April 16th. Come to it, go to it. There's great, useful, valuable information that you get from there. You meet agents from other Sutton Group agents from around the area. Great networking event to do there. And of course, my favorite thing to talk about as well is Realtor Quest, which is coming up in May, the end of May. Please mark it in your calendar. It's going to be amazing. It is, people travel, get on planes and travel to go to these type of events, and it's literally in our backyard. So that's our tip of the week, is to attend various meetings and events. The information you get is priceless. Have a great week, everyone. Next week is the last week of 8. Take care.